This is Eric Willis, and I'm the author of Piano Quick. I'm going to start teaching this book from the first page, and the reason why it's called Piano Quick is because the information that I give you, you can understand it so rapidly that if you were in the room with me, I tell you what's on the page. When you nod your head in recognition, we could turn that page. So I'm going to start with the piano is an 88-key chromatic instrument, and chromatic means half steps. So this instrument is built on half steps. The way to make a half step, if you touch a white key to black key, that's a half step, white key to black, or a black key to white. Any black key to a white key is a half step, and also a white key to white key. Where there's no black key between, those two notes are half steps apart. Here's another. So if you will, take some time to practice half steps. You can pause. Next page. The white keys are called natural keys. The note names are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A through G. These notes are also identified as A natural, B natural, C natural because they are natural keys. The black keys are known as accidentals, or sharps and flats. These will always be identified as A sharp or A flat, G sharp or G flat, and so on. Take some time to play the sharps and flats. The symbols are a natural sign. When you see that natural sign, it means to play any one of the natural keys. Or the sharp sign, sharp means to raise. You will play one of these black keys. Or a flat, also the black keys. The entire keyboard is made up of two kinds of keys, natural keys and the sharps and flats, or the accidentals. Playing chromatically. A chromatic scale is played by touching every half step on the piano. This is known as playing chromatically. That's a chromatic scale. Take some time to practice the chromatic scale. The notes on the keyboard. If you locate the group of 3 black keys, inside, left, and right, you'll find 2 natural keys. The inside right is A. Locate the 2 black keys. The note to the outside left is C. Practice finding A, inside right, and C to the left of those 2 black keys. All the note names on the piano, when you locate A and C, 2 points can plot a line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Take some time to locate and understand the note names on the piano. Sharps and flats. A Sharp means to raise. Flat means to lower. The black key between A and B, this is A sharp. If we start on A and we raise it a half step, it becomes A sharp. If we start on B and we lower a half step, it becomes B flat. A sharp and B flat are the same note. Intervals. An interval is the distance between two notes. There are two ways to play intervals. You can play intervals melodically, that's one note at a time. As when singing a melody, or harmonically. Like singing a duet. Let's play some intervals harmonically. Intervals of the major scale. There is a major scale that is built into the piano automatically, and it is the C major scale. It has two kinds of measurements or intervals, distances between two notes, and those will be major intervals and perfect intervals. We start with C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That is the major scale. Intervals of the major scale. This is a perfect unison. Think of it as a group of singers all singing the same note. C and D together. This is 1 and 2. That's a major second. A major third, C and E. C and F, a perfect fourth. C and G, perfect fifth. A major sixth. A major seventh. Perfect octave. Notice 1, unison, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Octave, like octopus, means 8. So now that you know there are scale degrees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, we'll learn to call it by its quality. Perfect unison, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh, perfect octave. Fingering for the major scale. For the right hand, if you give me a thumbs up on both hands, we'll number those thumbs as number 1. Index finger 2, middle finger 3, ring finger 4, pinkies are 5 in both hands. So on the right hand, we would play C with the thumb 1, 2, 3, and we're going to cross the thumb under on F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retrograde is backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crossover, third finger. 3, 2, 1. Left hand. Pinky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crossover, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Cross the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reason why I don't deal with motor skills in this book very much is because the information comes to you so rapidly that you can process it. By the time you sit down at the piano, you already have the knowledge and you're encouraged to practice.